good news about Jesus, as according to Luke chapter 13 from verse 31 to verse 35. Jesus sorry for Jerusalem. Same time, some Pharisee come to Jesus and say, left that place here and go one another one. Herod want to kill you. Jesus say, go tell the facts they say. Look, me will run out demon and make people better today and tomorrow. And on the third day, me walk with done. Me have to go on where me a go today and tomorrow and the next day. Cause no prophet can dead outside of Jerusalem. Hi, Jerusalem, Jerusalem. You will kill the prophet them and stone the one them where God sent to you. Me long for gather your people around me, like how fowl gather fear picnic them under wing. But uno never want me to do it. God nah go business with no house. Me a tell you this. Uno nah go see me again till uno say, God bless the one who him send. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.